What is a candlestick? This is a candlestick, but it is not the candlestick that we're referring to when talking about trading. Candlesticks have three main parts: the body, the top wick, and the bottom wick. The top wick represents the highest price of price action, and the bottom wick represents the lowest price of price action. Green candles are bullish candles that represent price is going up. Red candles are bearish candles that represent prices going down. The top of the body on a bullish candle is where the candle closes, and the bottom of the body is where the candle opens. The top of the body on a bearish candle is where the candle opens, and the bottom of the body is where the candle closes. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more content and information on the way for people who are currently trading futures contracts and also for people who are interested and want to get into trading futures contracts. This is 1015 King out.